Because I'm not telling you about your wife because I don't know her. So keep my husband.
Calm down.
Out your mouth, sir. I can show you my badge right here. Where's my backpack?
You don't have to show me. You can sit back down.
On the 20th of September 2025 at Nashville International Airport, Tennessee officers responded to a complaint of threatening behavior. The encounter raised multiple constitutional and statutory issues that warrant detailed legal analysis.
Or anything like that?
No, I just met him.
Okay, I got you. So we just got a complaint that you threatened somebody?
Somebody's threatening me. I don't even know, but
somebody was threatening you?
I don't know. It could be. They could have been talking to the person behind us.
Okay, I got you. You got your ID on you?
I sure do, but I'm not sure if I'm like under arrest or is there a reason why I need to show it to you?
Well, I need to identify you to see who you are.
If I'm committing a crime, sure.
Well, we just got a call that you was threatening.
Crime, sure. That's facts.
Let me see your ID, please.
I've already been ID'd. I'm in here.
Okay, well, can I see your boarding pass to see what kind of business?
Not, sir.
Well, you have to show me your boarding pass because you're in an airport. This is a private building.
My boarding pass, sir. I'll give you that.
Okay.
You're not seeing my ID.
Okay.
I'm not under arrest.
You're being detained right now.
For what crime?
For possibly threatening somebody.
Possible is not a crime. Give me a crime. State me an actual crime, sir.
Hey, man. I'm just trying to get to the bottom of it.
I know, and I'm trying to not get my rights violated, sir.
We got what rights am I violating?
You're trying to make me show ID and identify when I don't have
because you're being detained.
Illegally, apparently. What's the crime am I being detained for, sir?
So we're trying to figure that out right now. If you threaten somebody, that's a crime in the state of Tennessee.
Yeah, so what's going on?
So I took him off the flight, and then he was asking like, what's going on with my flight? I just push the wheelchair. I don't know what's going on. And then he storms off, goes to talk to the Delta assistant, and I'm talking to I think it's his husband or something.
Wait, so the guy in the wheelchair stormed off?
Yeah, the guy in the wheelchair stormed off, and the person next to him, which is his husband, I was just talking to him, telling him like what I can do and what I can't do. And then after that, he just came here and started cussing me out, started threatening me, all that, trying to fight me, everything. I just said, sir, can you calm down? I can't do nothing about it. And then he just tried to fight me, everything.
Did he put hands on you at all?
He didn't put hands on me.
No, just threatening you?
He was just like, if you don't get out of my face, I'm gonna start punching you. And I'm just like really trying to help you. I'm not trying to do nothing. I just eventually just walk away.
Okay. Sounds good.
Trying to find it.
Okay, you're good, man. I'm not trying to hem you up or nothing like that. I'm just
trying to go get sushi. So.
I got called to you, so I'm doing my job, and then once I do my job, I'll leave you alone.
Why they called you, sir? They're wasting your time.
We're getting his side story. We just want to make sure no hands got put on, or if you wanted to press charges.
No, I'm not pressing charges. Okay. He ain't touching me.
Thank you. I'm not.
Appreciate it, brother.
I think this might be it, sir.
Good deal.
What do you do? Yeah, can you not help me and just relax? Yeah.
Hey, why are you so hostile right now?
That's my husband.
Okay.
It doesn't matter how I talk to my husband.
I understand that.
You gonna pay my bills?
But there ain't no need to be hostile. Have I been coarse to you? Have I said a swear word to you?
Do not ask me how I talk to my husband, sir. That's my business. Thank you. Let's go ahead and talk to me. Okay, you please stay quiet. Go sit over there for a second. Thank you. For what? I didn't do anything wrong. I'm sitting down.
Hey.
I'm sitting down for saying words.
Hey.
I'm going to need you to stop talking to me.
I need you to talk to me.
Yeah, I know.
What if he was talking to you that way?
I will deal with that. I married him. Did you marry him? Correct.
But if I talk to my wife that way, she'd be done with me.
I don't give a shit. I don't care. I don't know your wife. I don't care what you're talking about. That's your business.
Well, you sit right there and you calm down.
Yeah, you see how I'm not telling you about your wife?
Hey.
Because I don't know her.
Hey.
So keep my husband
Calm down.
out your mouth, sir.
Calm down.
Keep your husband. Keep my
Calm
husband
down.
out your mouth, sir.
I didn't say your husband's name.
Correct.
So it's not been in. It's not
ask me questions about my relationship.
It's not been in my mouth.
You don't have to ask me questions about my relationship with my husband.
Well, you just sit tight right there.
Right.
What's going on? Take notes. It's crazy. What's going on?
So he said he got him off the flight. He's just kind of disorderly, threatened that he was going to punch the guy, and why is he making him late? Everything else. So, I mean, it could be. I asked him the key question, which is, did you think this guy was going to cause you any kind of immediate, great injury, bodily harm, anything like that? Did you have any reason to fear for your safety? He said no. He said he didn't want to press charges. So.
Well, he hates me.
Yeah.
Where you from, man? Salt Lake?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's all I needed. So, the guy's saying that you threatened to punch him. Wow. You didn't?
I did
So
not.
why would he just, a guy that's just working in
He
here?
actually told me that he's like, I'm at work. If I wasn't, it'd be different. That sounds like a threat. I let it go.
That's not a threat.
So neither
Listen,
I didn't
listen to
punch
me.
anybody.
Listen to me. Okay,
He
I
walked
understand
away
that.
from me, and he decided to just leave, and he was like, I'm done.
Okay.
He said, I'm going to let your husband push it. I said, my husband doesn't work here.
Okay.
I didn't pay all this money to have
Listen
somebody
to
else
me.
work here.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
You can't just threaten to punch people because they're going to make you right.
I didn't threaten anyone to punch
Okay.
anyone. I didn't say
Well,
that.
I got two conflicting stories
I know,
here.
I know, right?
Okay.
He said, she said.
But anyway, he's not wanting to press charges. So
Neither do I.
you sit tight. When I get a read back on you, we'll let you go.
Okay. Thank you. Again, I didn't do anything illegal, so I'm not concerned. I work for the sir. I'm sworn in. I'm in the service. I work for the I can show you my badge right here. Where's my backpack?
You don't have to show me. You can sit back down.
Sir, I can also stand up too, right?
Whatever you want to do, man.
Correct. It's whatever you want to do too. I get it.
If everything's good, he's good. I didn't mean to get him riled up. Like I said, we just got a call that somebody threatened somebody, so we got to investigate it.
There you go, sir.
Close it.
Here's my ID.
You good? You can talk to them.
There you go.
Hey, come here.
See ID, right?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of it.
You don't need. I'm not going to take a picture of that. Here you go. I have higher clearance than all of you guys. So leave me alone, sir. Good.
I'm not interested in whether or not you work. Go sit back down.
Correct. Exactly.
Go sit back
So
down.
you wanted to take a picture.
Okay,
of it.
go sit
Well,
down.
You can also stand up, sir.
Okay. You keep being disorderly, you're going to be detained. So go sit down.
He already told me I was detained.
Okay.
Oh, so I'm not detained. So then I'll see you.
My point is, if you keep being disorderly, I will
I'm not being
physically
disorderly.
contain you.
I'm not being disorderly.
Okay. I don't
sir.
care
All
who.
did
I don't
was
care
show
if you work for or not.
Ask me for identification. I'm giving it.
Have a seat. Let us finish what we're doing.
I'm not
Stop.
sitting down, sir.
You have a right to be silent. I suggest you take it up. Okay.
If you're going to arrest me, will you read my rights, sir?
I don't have to read you your rights if I arrest you. I only have to read you
You're
your rights.
violating my rights right now. And I'm a federal agent. You're
No.
violating my
Okay.
rights.
You're actually not a federal agent.
Yes,
No.
I am,
You work for the. Show me your commission book. Show me your commission book.
Show me your stuff.
You're about to get hooked up for impersonating an officer.
I'm not impersonating an officer.
Okay, then don't tell me you're a federal agent because you're not. Sit down and be quiet. You're going to talk yourself right into handcuffs, brother. Sit down and be quiet. Quiet.
I can talk. It's my legal right, sir.
Okay, you've already been disorderly. Okay, you've already told somebody you were going to hit them. You got 5 cops here.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. I don't know where you're getting that information
From the witness.
Okay, they're lying to you.
Okay. Do me a favor. Let us run you. We'll get you to your flight, but you don't have to impersonate a federal
I'm
agent.
not impersonating a federal
Okay.
officer. I told
All right,
you
that's
I
fine.
work for the federal government.
Okay, you said you were a federal agent. Everything that you say is being recorded audio and video. Okay, you're not a federal
I
agent.
didn't say I was a federal agent, sir.
Sit back down. You're good.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Appreciate that.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're
Let's
done here.
de-escalate the whole
Okay.
thing. Thank you very much, officer.
All right.
Appreciate it.
I'd be really careful of telling people you're
Tell me anything,
Hey,
sir. Bye.
presenting your
Bye.
federal ID.
Bye. You're dismissed, sir. Bye.
Yeah. Oh, you're fine. I would be clear with him that if he goes around impersonating a federal agent, he's likely to get himself in trouble. You're this close to catching a disorderly charge. You're this close. So I'd wheel away before I change my mind.
About 30 minutes later, officers received another call about the same man, this time at an airport bar, where he was reportedly being disorderly again.
Hold on. The officer wants to talk to you. Yes, sir.
What's going on? I saw you waving me over, so I
didn't wave you over. I was just shaking
Oh,
my
you
hand.
just waved? I thought you
There's some kind of shake.
Gotcha.
You might have took it a little different, right?
Yeah, I thought you were just waving
I
me over.
didn't. So we're good.
I just want to
Thank
make
you.
sure.
All right,
Yeah.
I'm on the phone though, if you don't mind.
Yeah.
I'm going to basically tell. I mean, I don't know if Delta's going to want to let this guy on a flight because if he's behaving this way, they're going to get in the air and they're going to be stuck with the guy. So
Just listen. Just go backwards.
I got you.
No, you don't have me. I don't need you.
They want you out of here.
Yeah, I know, but I don't need you to assist me, sir.
Do you want me to pull this wheelchair out then?
You can do whatever you want. I didn't ask you to do anything, to be honest with
Well, he walked away, so I was trying to help.
you. Over there, sir.
Well, come on.
I don't need to go anywhere.
You do.
We're all good?
we'll see. Now he's about ready to not get on this plane, so we'll see how he takes that.
All right.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
No?
Okay.
Waiting for the flight like everyone else.
You're no longer a ticketed passenger. You need to leave the airport right now, or you're going to be placed under arrest.
Okay.
Okay, so start walking that way. Now, not when you feel like it. Start walking that way now or you're going to be placed under arrest.
Sure.
Just listen, bro. Golly. God, I've had like 3 opportunities.
You're not trying to help me. Shut up. Is this helping us? Oh, when are you going to realize this isn't helping? Why isn't the white boy with blue eyes in trouble? Because I'm not mouthing off. Right, I know, but there's nothing illegal about mouthing off.
It's called disorderly conduct, and you're pressing the line. So just do me a favor. Let's keep walking and not using foul language and commenting on people's genitals and everything else.
Yeah, I know.
So,
I think I'm itching a little bit.
Well, that's cool.
Are you itching?
Keep walking. Then you see the exits on? Yeah, keep walking that way. There you go.
turn around and walk that way. Okay, that's fine. Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
What did I do? I turned around? Can you not get the phone and record?
Well, you do this, sir.
Can you not call Martin immediately and record? What are you doing?
Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest for disorderly conduct and public intoxication.
For what?
Public intoxication and disorderly conduct.
Tell him to call, tell him to go to Davidson County. Now, if I don't make it there, you know these guys are racist.
You're not going to push away from me. You understand that? Okay?
I do.
Okay.
I do. Hey, calm down.
You calm down. I'm not messing around with you anymore.
I'm not either.
Okay?
Have I been messing around since day one?
Don't pull away from me.
Have I been messing around?
Do not pull away from me.
I told you don't test me. I told you that. Did I not? Don't talk to me. Don't talk the way you're talking then. Go.
Come on, Jared. Makes it a lot harder, all right? You're making this a lot harder.
Whatever. You're making it harder.
What?
Okay.
Have a seat.
I'm trying. I can't hold. I would normally get up.
Hey, your butt goes in first.
Okay. Well then, I'm trying to.
Okay.
Sit up, all right?
Shane, it's me and you versus the problem.
Okay, you're about to catch another resisting charge. You want to be charged with resisting arrest on top of everything else?
You can take your little and shove it in your
I'm
mouth.
the seatbelt.
Shut the up.
Okay. I didn't have anything to do with you drinking too much. You're acting a fool.
Look at how I look.
Now you're going to be charged with resisting arrest.
Beat my ass. Look at after this. Stop saying shit. Stop saying nothing. Fifth Amendment. Fifth. Plead the fifth. You get a lawyer. I'm going to get my lawyer on him. I'm going to get my lawyer on him. Come here. Come here. I'm getting my lawyer on him. Come here. Come here. Come here. Now. 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 Come here. Come here. Okay, come here.
Fourth Amendment. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. A lawful investigatory stop requires reasonable articulable suspicion, not probable cause. A witness complaint of threatening conduct satisfies this threshold. The initial detention was constitutionally justified. Detention requires only reasonable suspicion. Arrest requires probable cause. These are distinct legal standards with distinct rights attached. When a subject asks whether they are under arrest, officers must answer accurately. Tennessee Code Section 407103. Officers may demand name and address from a person reasonably suspected of a felony or breach of peace. Physical identification is not required, only verbal identification. Hybel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 2004 upheld this standard. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966. Warnings are required before custodial interrogation, not at the physical moment of arrest. Stating that Miranda rights never apply upon arrest is legally imprecise. Post-arrest statements obtained without Miranda advisement may be suppressed at trial. A federal employee holds no law enforcement authority. A federal agent holds arrest powers and jurisdictional authority. Claiming law enforcement status without possessing it risks liability under 18 U.S.C. Section 912, which prohibits impersonating a federal officer. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987. Speech directed at law enforcement is constitutionally protected under the First Amendment. Disorderly conduct charges based solely on verbal confrontation must meet the fighting words standard of Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 1942. 49. USC, Section 46314. Entry into a secured airport area requires valid authorization. When an airline revokes a ticket, that authorization is extinguished. Refusal to vacate a secured area after a lawful order constitutes an independent statutory basis for arrest. Tennessee Code Section 3917305. Disorderly conduct. 2 elements are required: intent to cause public annoyance or alarm and conduct rising to fighting violent or threatening behavior. Vocal anger or profanity alone does not satisfy this threshold. Courts require an overt act or a direct threat of harm. Tennessee Code, Section 3917310, Public Intoxication. The offense requires intoxication to a degree that endangers the person, endangers others, or unreasonably annoys those in the vicinity. Officers must document specific observable indicators of impairment. Tennessee Code, Section 3916602, Resisting arrest. Physical resistance during an arrest is a separate offense, independent of the legal merits of the underlying charges. Once a lawful arrest is initiated, compliance is legally required. Physical resistance compounds criminal exposure significantly. Key lessons: assert rights verbally, comply physically, know the difference between detention and arrest. Miranda protections activate before interrogation, not after. Courts are the proper forum for challenging unlawful police action, not the moment of arrest.